Hello everyone, my name is Prati. Let me discuss some case study on after implementing a new process, you gather feedback. How do you use this information? So, uh, using feedback for a process improvement is after implementing a new process, it's essential and to gather a feedback to evaluate its effectiveness, and this case study explores how feedback from stakeholders can be used, define, and enhance your uh, process, ensuring it meets objectives and delivers optimal results. The organization has implemented a new process aimed to improve efficiency in its operations. While the operations was designed to streamline workflows, there was uncertainty about its impact, gauge its effectiveness, and address any issues. Feedback is collected from employees and other stakeholders. The challenge is effectively used to feedback to make necessary adjustments or improvements to this process. How, how do you feedback be analyzed and how applied to improve the new process? What action need to be taken to ensure the process works effectively? To gather the information or feedback is collected through surveys, interviews, team meetings, and it important to ensure that feedback is representative and includes a diverse range of stakeholders. And the issues are common themes emerge from the feedback, such as challenging with specific steps in the process, difficulties in understanding the new system and areas where time savings are not expected. And the feedback is analyzed and determine the root causes of the problems. For example, a step in the process may be too complicated, or there might be a lack of training or of lack of training for employees. This evaluation helps pinpoint where adjustment need to be made. And it's crucial to evaluate feedback from different groups like customers, managers, employees, etc. to ensure all relevant viewpoints are considered when making improvements. So simplify the steps, redesign the complicated parts of the process based on the feedback to make the more initiative and efficient, and offering additional training sessions to ensure the employees fully understand the new process and how to execute it carefully and effectively, and run pilot tests after the changes have been made to ensure the new modifications solve and identify problems. Encourage ongoing feedback and create a continuous feedback, allowing future refinements and improvements. And to conclude, in feedback is a valuable tool for continuous process improvement by actively listening to stakeholders and identifying problems and making data-driven adjustments. And organizations and define their process, ensuring better performance and satisfaction too. And implementing these improvements also fosters a culture of learning and collaboration within the organization. This is my information regarding the case study after implementing a process feedback and how do we use the information. Thank you.